Puppetry is a tool that helps you create animated images, perfect for cartoons. These animations can move their heads and lips while speaking. It's very simple, but keep in mind that it's in the early stages, so some things might not look perfect yet. If you want to generate animated images instead of using a talking head in your videos, this could be a good option.
Like everything, they also have an affiliate program. If you like it, you can promote it to others and earn a 30% commission for those who sign up through your link. Their referrals are recurring, so as long as the person you referred continue paying, you keep earning. I like this kind of affiliate program. After you sign up, you need to log in by providing your email address. Each time you log in, you'll get a code to enter. The dashboard is very basic. You can change the end of the affiliate link to whatever you like. If you do that, do it only when you start the program, not after you promote the links all over the internet. This is the first piece of content I've created about puppetry, and I just signed up, so I don't have any referrals yet. They don't provide any assets you can use, so you'll need to create your own. They pay through PayPal, so you need to set your PayPal address to receive payments. They pay after 30 days without a minimum threshold. This is a very simple affiliate dashboard. Like any other affiliate program I am part of, I add the link to Switchy so I don't need to log in every time I want to promote this tool. You can watch other videos about Switchy on this channel. Puppetry is very cute and I can see the potential. It's also useful for short content creation and is very affordable compared to other tools like this. So if you are looking for an animation puppet tool, this is a very interesting option. You can find my affiliate link in the description if you want to give it a try. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.